Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making an easy stuffed crust cheeseburger pizza in our cast iron skillet. So let's get started. We add a little bit of oil to the pan. Set our burner to medium and let our pan warm up a little bit. Yeah, while our pan's heating up, I thought you'd like to see what kind of burger we're using here. Flanders all beef patties. Quarter-pound burger with Vidalia onions. They taste good. Okay, our pan's hot. Yep. Now we have to put our burger in here. Just like that, and we'll just let that cook a little bit, maybe a couple minutes. Okay, let's see how the burgers are doing. Give them a little flip. Okay, they're thawing out good because they were froze. So we might as well just go ahead and chop them up. You can see the onions in them. They smell good with the onions. And we're going to add more onions, so we'll put some more onions in. There you go. And we'll just give that a little stir. Okay, now we'll just cover that and let that cook for a couple minutes. Okay, let's give them a check. Oh, they seem to be doing good. The onions are starting to get cooked. Yeah, they look good. Starting to get translucent, those onions, a little bit. Okay, we'll let that go a little while longer. Maybe another minute or so. Okay, that should be about it right there. They should be done. We're going to add a little salt to them right here while we're here. And a little bit of pepper. And a little bit of garlic. And give them a stir. Okay, we're going to shut off our heat for a minute, and we're going to let that cook just a little bit while we're stirring it. Alright, that seems pretty good right there. Okay, let's put that in a bowl. All those onions and hamburger. We get all them out of there, all them good little bits. Try not to get too much of the greasy stuff, because we're going to wash out our pan here. We'll rinse it out. Okay. And we'll save that for when we make our cheeseburger pizza. Okay, let's turn our burner to medium-low. Add a little bit of oil to the pan. I'm going to wipe that around a little. Okay, put a little more. All right, that should do it. Now wait for our pan to get a little bit warm, and we'll start making our pizza. Okay, now that our pan's a little bit warm, I think we're gonna use one of these big ones. We'll just put that right in the middle. Just like that. And we'll save these little ones. Maybe we'll make a little one. Let's see. Yeah, we'll put some ground meat on top of that tortilla. That looks pretty good. We just gotta spread it out a little. Save some of the pieces for up top of ground beef. Alright, that's not bad. Looks good. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright. Now we're gonna take a piece of cheese, put it right in the middle. And we'll make these into little strips. And we'll put them up here. Here. Right there. And right here. There you go. Now what we do is we're going to use this and cover the top, but first we have to wet it. Alright, let's wet the outside down a little. Okay. Now we can put the top on. Just like that. And we can use our lid from our lodge and push down on it. We just keep going around till we get it sealed. It's really simple. You just make sure it's sealed all the way around, and that's it. Right there. Now we just cover that and let that cook maybe 2 minutes. Okay, let's uncover that. Right? And we'll put a little bit of our meat on top. Crumble it up a little. Get that crumbled up a little more. All right. Cheeseburger pizza. You're not gonna be able to beat this one, I don't think, when it's all done. Okay. It'll be fun to cut open, cut into it. Check it out. All right. All right, looks pretty good. Now you can put almost anything you want on top of there if you want. It'll just be all good. It's yours. You can do what you want with it. All right, let's finish this up. Okay, good enough. That looks good. Oh, lost a couple onions. Good, not bad at all. Now we're gonna sprinkle with some sharp cheese. Gotta have sharp cheese. You can have almost anything you want, really. But sharp cheese is always good. You can even spritz a couple more onions on top if you want. Make a little crunch up top. Alright, let's see how that turns out. We'll just go ahead and cover that up and let that cheese melt. Alright, let's give it a check. Oh yeah, the cheese is all melted. Let's add just a taste more salt on top, because it is a cheeseburger. A little bit of pepper, and just a little bit more garlic on top. Alright, That's really looking good, isn't it? Okay, let's see if we can plate that up. Boy, does that look good. I bet you that is really good. Look at it. Oh yeah, it's loaded with meat inside. Yep, and cheese. There you go. Look at that. Alright, we're going to have to get into that. Take a taste test. Okay, let's see if we can cut this in half. Wow. Alright, let's cut it in quarters. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good, I think. That's really gonna be good. Really good. Here, take another look. You see the height of that in the middle? Okay. Let's see how it is. Let's get a piece. Come on. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? Is that good looking or what? Look at the cheeseburger in the crust. And you got a cheeseburger up top, really. Cheeseburger crust. Neat. Alright, I gotta have a little bite. Oh yeah. You're gonna like this one. Yeah, make these, will you? They're good. Yep, they won't be around long. They're really tasty. Really tasty. Yeah, I really don't know what to say. That stuffed crust cheeseburger pizza there isn't going to be around long. I can guarantee you that. The old cast iron skillet's going to have to wait to get cleaned up now. Yes, sir. I got to get myself a cold drink, though. That sounds good.